You get all your laughing, that's fine. Always very ticklish. So we've got some rotation to the left here. I'm going to have you turn your head to the left. Nudge this over. Oh, nice. Nice, and straight down. So that rotation can be bad because, especially in that upper thoracic, it's where the nerves that go to the heart are. So if there's pressure on those or they're not working the way they're supposed to, you can have high blood pressure, heart palpitations, tachycardia, all kinds of stuff. Bend that leg. Relax. And she spit. Sign of a good adjustment. Terrible.
Sorry.
No, it's quite all right. We like a little comic relief. That's good. There we go. Nice. And on your back. Woo. Very nice.
That was nice.
You work today?
I worked today, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
I do too. Ooh. Can't hear the crack when you're.
I know, I gotta.
Hold on.
Trying to hold in my.
Go to your happy place. Happy place. Happy place. I don't think so. Oh, nice.
It has helped me release stress. Every time after a session, I feel really relaxed and comfortable. I feel taller every time, but it has definitely helped me for sure.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thanks.